Open the door so you can gain access to the hinges. Hinges down here. You'll see these stops that you'll rotate down into this position, and those stops are going to now interact with the door in these areas. Rotate the door up so it engages the hinge. Continue to rotate up and lift lightly, and the whole door will swing out. So basically what you're doing is you're disengaging this slot on the hinge that goes into the frame right here, the support frame. And so putting the door back, you want to place the hinges back into those slots. Like that. And lift forward so you feel that it drops. If you open the door and it doesn't go down all the way flat, which this one isn't, that means one of the hinges is not engaged fully, which is likely this one. Push the door up and then push it at the bottom, and you'll feel it drop into place. Now the door opens up completely flat. You know it's in good position, and then close those clips back into neutral position, and then close the door.